Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a ripped tether for the fuel cap in the Audi A4 B8. I've seen this thing ripped for a long time, but I just ignored it. Well, I couldn't ignore it anymore. Bought this. This seems to be the part number. I have the petrol engine in this car, so hopefully it's the correct part number for it, but yeah, let's get rid of the old one. That goes away, and now let me remove the cap itself. If I could actually do it with my left hand. It was already undone, and see how I can remove this from it. Seems to be easier than I thought. You just put this underneath it. It's quite thin, so you can leverage, yeah, not on video anyway, you can leverage it out of there, something like this. So it just comes out, and in theory we will just be putting the new one in there. Let me just clean this channel a little bit before. And now clean the channel. Let's put the new one in. Choose one side where you want to put it first, and then simply push it in there. Again, not easy with one hand, but it will just go in. And I think it's already in or something like that. Yeah, it's already in. Okay. Now let's put this back and pop this in its on its pin. So let's insert this thingy in. Lock it in place. Oh, my bad. I think I locked something that shouldn't be there. Now lock it in place, and this should fit in here decently easy, and we are done. So now this thing cannot fall out of here, and obviously you can put it like this when refueling, and it will get out of the way when you close it. The old one might have a different part number, so it's 8E0201556, I think. So the only difference is the old one had an E instead of N, but yeah, doesn't matter, fits perfectly and works perfectly. And we are done. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And if you don't like something in here, you might be able to install this in reverse, but I don't think that's the intended way, because also the previous one was like this, so we were seeing the nice side of it, not this one. So I think this is the way to install it, although it looks a bit weird, but still gets out of the way normally. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps you again. Bye.